What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are working on the 1989 Chevrolet Silverado. This used to be my grandfather's truck and he gave it to me. So today we're trying to figure out what is going on and what keeps burning up this part. One wire on the electrical harness that keeps burning up. So we are making some new wires for it, and we're going to see if it burns or not. Right now I'm sitting there looking at it. I thought it was good, so let's see. Let's see. Nope. As you can see, it burned up again. Smoke melted the tape, melted part of the, well, it didn't melt this wire because it's thick. I still ain't figured out what's going on with it and why it keeps melting. So now we're back over here messing with it again. Burns up again. Can't figure out why yet. I did an inspection on the wire harness. Nothing is messed up. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try to find me a thicker piece of wire. A very thick piece of wire, and try it like that. I did have to order some new keys because somebody stole the set of keys I had hid in the truck, but I got an idea who it was. Hopefully it'll be here the next 2 or 3 days because I ordered a new set of door keys and a new switch key. I'm really wanting to get this truck running. That is my goal for 2025. There is a antifreeze leak as well, but that's going to be for another video. We're going to find the antifreeze leak because it is pouring out like a waterfall every time you put antifreeze in it. But right now, my main focus is on the wire harness. Trying to save it so I don't have to replace the whole wire harness on it. That is the last thing I want to do. And there it goes again, caught on fire. Or smoke. Not no fire. If it was fire, it'd have a flame, but it smokes and then it melts everything. It melts the one wire I just put on. Everything else is fine.